Shouldn't buy anything.
Buy a little car. Hello, big bud. It's currently 6:35 in the morning, and we're about to get on our ferry from Santorini to Chios, little party island, and hopefully we're gonna have a big day and a bigger night. We have sit.
We have meal.
What are you doing, Matt?
Getting a spinach pie and a coffee.
Spinach pie? Do they have spinach pie? Hang on a minute.
Found it.
You found a spinach pie?
Downstairs at the front.
There is a front kitchen.
Yeah.
Oh,
We should get one.
I'm gonna go get a spinach pie.
It's tough to get back on board.
Bro. Bye, Santorini. Everybody for themselves. This place is crazy. How's that for a view?
For you.
Thank you.
Cheers, guys. Cheers.
Cheers to that, mate.
Happy 30th.
So chiquimamos. Cheers to the mamos. Oh.